My friends, welcome back to the show. Today is a special day because I get a lot of DMs about people asking random questions about crypto. What is spot trading? What is leverage trading? How do I buy on the decentralized exchange? What is a wallet? Where should I find relevant information? All that stuff. So today, in 14 minutes, I'm going to give you everything you need to know about crypto. So for example, you want to onboard your dad, your mom, your neighbor, your friend who has no idea. This will be the video they can watch. And if you're new here, please smash and obliterate the like button. My name is 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙. I bring you a daily alpha every single day here on Crypto Live, on Crypto Banter, and on my X. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. And if you're returning, just smash the like button as well. It helps the algo, helps us, and eventually helps you, and helps onboard more and more people in the industry. But I've got 14 minutes, and I really want to keep it to 14 minutes. So let's get going. Number one, if you're watching this video, I assume that you want to invest in Bitcoin or crypto, or you want to, understand how you can even get started with this thing. There's a lot of misconceptions because if you're trading Forex, for example, or if you're trading, you're buying into different stocks, you need an account, you need a broker, you need a licensed entity. That's completely different with crypto. You can set up in 2 seconds and start getting going with crypto, whether this is on-chain, whether this is on an exchange. I'm going to show you all that. Number one you want to do is you want to find the right information. It's very, very important, especially when it comes to crypto. You can get scammed every day of the week in crypto. People will pretend that they are me. They will DM you. They will send you an email. They will call you. They will text you on Facebook, and they will tell you about this incredible opportunity that you can make a lot of money, but that's not true. None of it is true. Okay, so very important information. What I would recommend you do is 2 things. One, truly, genuinely subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to build the most profitable community in the world, and we do this every single day. Live shows, tutorials, deep dives, much more. So subscribe to the channel. Number 2, make sure to follow me on X. There's a link in the description to my X profile as well, so you will be able to see it. But on X, I give you every single update you need. If you scroll down lower here, you will see my charts. You will see what tokens I'm trading. You see where it's worth buying in. This is the place to be. This is one of the community members who actually just put my tweets on the chart, and I said I'm buying into this token down here, and I said I'm taking profits up here. So it's worth following. There's a link in the description. Go and check it out. Subscribe to the channel. And if you go into my link tree, so you see down here, you see 𝗙𝗙𝗡𝗙's links, you'll find all the other channels as well. So you have Crypto Live, we have Crypto Banter Plus. You will find all the relevant information. Now, the second thing you want to do, and this is very, very, very important, is to understand what tokens you want to buy. Again, if you're following people on X, right? Reliable sources. Make sure that you don't follow some random dudes. Make sure that you're following reliable sources, or you're following YouTube channels, or you're reading articles, whatever you do. You hear about the token. For the sake of an example, I'm just going to say Solana, okay? And you don't know anything about Solana. So what do? You go onto a platform called CoinGecko, okay? So when you go into CoinGecko, the thing what you will see, is this page. Now, in here, you will find every relevant information about a token. So I can come here, for example, I can say Sol, I can search for it, and I'll be able to see everything about the token. So you'll see the price, you will see the market cap, you will see the chart for a 24 hour, 7 day, a month, 3 month. If you scroll lower, you will see the links, official links, so you don't get scammed, Telegram, X. And if you click on markets, you will be able to see where you can actually purchase these tokens, okay? So you will be able to see Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, Maxi, OKX. I'll explain. These are all exchanges. I'm going to explain it to you a little bit later. But here you will get information about everything that you need to know. Now, once you decide what to buy, obviously you got to buy it somewhere, but you also might want to just monitor the place, and you might want to find your entry or see how the market moves. The best place to, 1, get up-to-date information, and 2, see the market sentiment is Banter Bubbles. This is, again, a free tool that we developed for you. Everything, by the way, very important. Everything I talk about, there is a link in the description. If you use my link, there are some affiliate links. Banter Bubble is completely for free. But if you use my link down in the description, I truly, truly appreciate it. If you don't, that's also fine as well. But just know that if you go down to the description, there are links to everything that I'm going to talk about today. So you go on to Banter Bubbles. This will show you the market sentiment that is actually happening in the market. What size the bubbles are. If the bubble is small, there is no change in the hourly or daily or the weekly time frame. And if the bubble is big, there was a lot of volatility. For example, this token called Rune is down 30%, and this token called GT is up 7%. And the best part about Banter Bubbles is that you can come here, click on the top right corner. It's called a newsroom. and you can see real people posting real news by the minute. So whenever anything happens, for example, here, you will see BTC ETF still generated is minus 149 million. So you can see every relevant news here. That means that you can download this application onto your phone as well, and you will be able to just scroll through and see every relevant news that you can make decisions based on. Okay? So that said, once you decided what you want to buy, you obviously need to have, not obviously, but you might want to have a charting tool. Why a chart is interesting? Because as you get into crypto, you will see these charts and you will not understand what they are. But at some point, you will want to know how the chart is behaving. Because if you have these massive pushes up and you have these massive volatility, you want to see a visual representation. This is called the trading view. This is what the name is. You go down here. This is the largest trading software out there, charting software. So you can search for different coins. You can see Ethereum, you can see Solana, you can see BNB, you can see all kinds of tokens, and then just chart those tokens or see how those tokens relate. Now, once you have that, you're still not at a point where you should purchase, in my honest opinion. Because again, I talk to people every single day who get scammed for hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands. And I'm not kidding. I talked to someone last month who got scammed for $240,000 because they didn't pay attention and they clicked on a link and then connected their wallet and it's gone. So one of the best ways to avoid that is to rely on a software, a VPN, for example. We work with NordVPN, but a VPN is a virtual private server, which means that they will mask your tracks, so scammers and hackers can't track you down. But also you can access, it will not show you your exact location to different providers. If you go into Instagram, Facebook, they won't know where you're actually posting from. Therefore, it's very difficult to track you down. It's also good. But for example, NordVPN has a feature that is a threat protection. That means if you click on the link that is a phishing link because you didn't notice, it will pop it in your face and say, hey, this is a phishing link. This will probably drain your wallet or this will probably steal your information. Do not go there. So whether you use NordVPN or not, again, it's your call. We use NordVPN because I like it for a long, long time, but please get yourself a VPN. Now, once you got yourself a VPN and it's running, it's literally just a software that you turn on and it's running in the background. Once you have that, you can go onto exchanges. Now, it's very important. When you want to purchase your first coin, you can look at, if you want to purchase a stock, for example, you need a broker, you need to call the broker, you need to go into your online broker that needs to be licensed. And so there is this whole procedure that takes time and effort and it's costly and whatever. In crypto, you can literally just go onto a platform, an exchange. We call them centralized exchanges. These are companies that offer these trading services. You can log on with your email address. Some places you have to do something called KYC, which is know your customer. You have to upload your ID. Basically, it takes 2 seconds. They will know who you are, so you will be able to trade. But some exchanges do not require that. Literally require an email address, a password, and you're good to go. Okay? So the way to find, again, it's very, very important to choose the right exchanges. If you want to use a KYC exchange, because obviously you're paying your taxes and you don't mind that you have your ID there, I KYC'd with Bybit, for example. You can use Bybit, one of the best KYC exchanges, if not the best KYC exchange. I use Bybit every single day. But if you don't want to do KYC because you don't want to be tracked, you don't want people to know, or you don't want the company to know who you are, you can use something like CoinW. Now, CoinW is also our partners for a long, long time now. They are non-KYC, and that means that you're able to go onto this platform, put your email address, put your password in, and simply use the platform without having to do any KYC. Now, once you have this, one very important thing that people don't pay attention to, or they just completely forget, is security. Okay, so whatever exchange you choose to sign up to, I do urge you to activate two-factor authentication. When you sign up to a website, when you sign up to an exchange, you will give your email address and you will give your password. But if someone gets access to your email and password, they will be able to access your exchange platform and steal all your funds. So you have to activate something called a two-factor authentication on the website. You go into the security tab and you can, I'm not going to go into details because this gives you a general overview, but then you will be able to simply activate two-factor authentication. Now there's an application that we use. It's Google's authenticator. It's called Google Authenticator. You can find it in the App Store. You can find it in the Google Store. You can download it onto your phone and you will get a QR code. You have to scan it to each platform. And once you've done that, it will always, when you log in, you add your email address, you add your password, and it will always tell you that you need to add this two-factor authentication number. Then you just open up your phone application, this authenticator, and you put it in. And because this number regenerates every 1 minute, it's very difficult for hackers to actually take this away from you unless they're next to you or unless they see it regenerating. So it makes it almost impossible to get your account hacked or scammed. Not scammed, but you scammed, but hacked, your account hacked. So make sure to get your authenticator on the exchanges once you have signed up to an exchange. Now, once you sign up to an exchange, there are 2 ways to trade. And this was I did not believe when someone DM'd me, actually 2 people DM'd me, and they knew about futures and leverage trading. And someone saying, "Is this live?" Yes, this is live. Yes, this is live. So you didn't know. People didn't know what about spot trading. They only knew about leverage trading. So it's very important to understand the difference. You can do a couple of things. So for example, if you go on to, I'm just going to show the example with CoinW because they are non-KYC. I'm probably going to sign up to CoinW. Incredible platform. You get, by the way, sign-up bonuses and all that. But anyway, you can buy crypto by simply clicking a quick buy, and you can purchase your crypto with, for example, your bank account. Okay. Or you can go and you can click, when you have your money in here, you can click on trade. Now, 2 ways, there are many more, but 2 most important ways to trading is 1, spot. That means you buy the asset, buy Bitcoin, buy Solana, buy Ethereum, and it's yours, okay? That means it's on the exchange, but you hold it. If the price of Solana goes down 99%, you still have the token. It's yours, okay? That's spot trading. You usually do that when you want to invest in crypto and you just want to hold it. You don't necessarily want to trade with it. You just want to hold it. That's when you do spot. If you want to trade, actively trade, you want to try trading leverage. Okay, it's very difficult to trade leverage. You need technical analysis skills. But you can trade leverage by clicking on futures. Leverage trading, again, it's in and of itself is a complete different beast. We have a lot of videos. If you scroll down on the channel and search for videos, I put up a lot of videos on this. And you will be able to just see this and be like, okay, so you can trade your money and you can borrow from the exchange and actually multiply your gains. When you trade leverage, very important that it's a derivatives market. That means you do not own the asset. You're basically just betting on the asset price going up and down. This is a very simple explanation. But if the asset price going down 99%, you are most likely going to lose your money, or so you're not going to have the token, or you cannot even transfer it out. So let's say that you're on leverage and you want to trade Solana, and at some points you decide you want to take your Solana to your Phantom wallet or your wallet out, which I'm going to talk about now, because you want to buy something else, but you can't because you're on leverage. The only way to do this is on the spot account. So that's the difference between spot and not spot. Now, talking about leverage, I see we're not going to get into 14 minutes, but we're going to try our best. When we're talking about taking it out, wallets, there are cold wallets and hot wallets. Cold wallets are if you buy something, don't rely on an exchange. Don't. Just get yourself a cold wallet like Ledger. It's a device that you can order, comes to your place, and you can put your Bitcoin on there, and is the safest and most secure way to store your crypto. Okay, so these are wallets that you can use so you don't have to rely on an exchange. An exchange, remember, is a company. Remember FTX, it can go under, and a lot of different companies that already went under. So don't rely on an exchange, get a cold wallet. If you want to trade your coins, for example, you're into memes or whatever that is, you can use something like Rabbi Wallet, which is a Solana, or which is an EVM compatible wallet, or you can use Phantom as a Solana wallet. Now, if you want to trade something else, let's say you buy AVAX or you buy whatever that is, and it's not compatible with any of these wallets, you buy Casper, for example, not compatible with any of these wallets, you can always go on to CoinGecko and try to see where these tokens are traded and what wallets you can use. By the way, you can also add Phantom and Rabbi as a Google Chrome extension, so you don't necessarily have to use it on your wallet. You can also add it to Google Chrome and use it as an extension. Now, the next thing is when you have it in your wallet is that you can click on or you can use decentralized exchanges to trade on. Decentralized exchanges are very similar to centralized exchanges, The only difference is that there is no company behind a decentralized exchange. So to say, your money is still yours, it's on chain, you can't really use it, you don't have to rely on someone, yet you can still trade it. So two big notable decentralized exchanges you can use, it's an aggregator, but it doesn't really matter. What you have to know is that you can trade on Jupiter. So that means you can connect your Phantom wallet, and then you're able to trade on Jupiter on chain, and it still stays in your wallet. You connect your wallet, you can click in what you want. Let's say I'm trading, of course, Altcoin, but whatever that is. You trade, you put how many Solanas you want, and then you just simply trade it on there, and it will show up in your wallet. The other one is Uniswap. If you use, so Jupiter is only for Phantom. Jupiter is only for Solana, which you can use on the Phantom wallet. And then you can trade on a Uniswap, which is EVM compatible. So most EVM chains, you can trade the tokens here. So you can decide what you want to trade, what tokens you want, and then you will be able to trade the different chains that you want to trade on. Now, the question really, if you don't use Uniswap and if you don't use Jupiter, what do you use? And this is another example. You can go on to, for example, you want to trade AVAX or Avalanche, and then you can go down here and see what decentralized exchanges it is traded on. So when you click on markets here, as I explained on CoinGecko, you will see these marks saying SEX or DEX. SEX means centralized exchange, and DEX means decentralized exchange. So if you go down here, you will see that DEX a lot, for example, trades this token, and you're able to just go on there. You can even click on here, and it will take you to the actual pair, and then you can connect your account and just simply trade it from there. Now, once you have that, once you have your wallet, once you know where to trade, you will obviously have a lot of tokens and whatever that might be, and you will have to trade those tokens somewhere. Now, the best way to do that is to actually use not trade the tokens, but keep track of your investments. So especially if you have a KYC exchange, non-KYC exchange, you have a Phantom wallet on Solana, you have a Rabbi wallet on Ethereum, you'll have a lot of tokens, a lot of wallets, a lot of different places. The best place to actually look through and keep your tokens is called CoinStats. Now, I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, telling you, this is one of the best things I've tried in 2024, literally. So you can go in here, you can add your wallet address randomly in here, and it will point and it will aggregate everything for you and put it all in one place. You don't have to connect, you don't have to log in through these to your exchanges. It's extremely secure, and it will show you everything. So again, there is a link in the description to this as well, CoinStats. But this is genuinely mean it. This is literally the best thing if you use different wallets on chains to try out. And once you have all this and you are keeping track of your portfolio, you might want to consider joining different communities. And then, you know, I'm not going to persuade you where to join. You will make your own decision. What I would urge you to do is don't start paying $1,500 a month for something that is promising to be big results. Do not do that, because it's not worth it. I see a lot of people getting rugged, and these guys only need 1 month from you, and they are out and they spend all that money on marketing and get 2 more people, and then they get 4 more people, and it's just not good. So what you really want to do, you want to try reliable and good communities. We do have a community. It's called Frontrunners. This is Rand's personal community with a bunch of people in it. Very good alpha. So if you want to join a community, I would recommend you join Frontrunners. You will find the link down here. This is literally the most reliable and most amazing community I've ever seen, and most professional. So they have people for everything. They have a meme expert, an AI agent expert, a trader, a macroeconomist, everything all at once in here. So this is one thing that you could potentially do. That's basically it. So we did it in under 20 minutes. So that's not bad either. I just wanted to open up your eyes about how the market really works and how you can get into crypto. There are a lot of layers. Again, I dedicated my life helping you on figuring out this industry. So I urge you to subscribe to the channel and make sure to follow me on my X. I share with you everything I do every single day, and I help you make money every single day, whether it's trading, whether it's investing, whether it's new narratives, whether it's new tools. You'll find it on X here. There's a link in the description if you go down. This is literally the first link here. Follow 𝗙𝗙 on X. Subscribe to the channel. You can also check my link tree, and you will be able to find all the other channels that I am going live. I have a vlog, I have the trading channel, daily live shows on Crypto Banter Plus, and of course here on Crypto Banter. If this sounds good, guys, again, if this video gave you any value, please make sure to smash and just obliterate the like button. And if you enjoy the show, just let me know. I would love to bring you this alpha even more. We have a school coming as well. So if all this is just not, you don't understand all this and it's still so complicated, and now you have an idea a little bit but you still want to go deeper, then again, just turn the notifications on my profile. I'm going to keep you updated on the school that is coming. I truly appreciate you guys. This was I see a lot of people in the chat. We are not going to do any market analysis. I'm going to post the chart on my X just now, so just get in there. I think we're going to the moon. The reversal is happening, and I truly appreciate every single one of you just by being here. Make sure to click on these 2 videos and check them out. Make sure to subscribe by clicking here, and I truly hope and believe that I will see you in the next one. Take care.